Hey there, homies. This is Joseph Elizondo, and you can call me Romy the Homie. This channel is RoamieTheHomie3D. I am a teacher that teaches students locally about 3D printing, laser engraving, CNC machines, and all types of different methods of making. You've probably only seen me before in my Cricut mount video where I show you how to mount my 3D printed Cricut system that puts your Cricut vinyl cutters on the wall. I designed this about a year ago for my shop specifically because I think my students needed some space to work. But I also see a demand in general just for 3D printers and 3D printing knowledge. A lot of people want to get into this industry, and it is a very big industry. It's a growing industry, and 3D printing is getting into, I'd say, every facet of the world. We're looking at the dental industry is using 3D printers, construction, we're 3D printing houses, we're 3D printing stuff in chocolate, we're 3D printing clay now. We're 3D printing implants for people's bodies for surgical replacements. There's so many areas that 3D printing is already touching, and that's only going to continue to grow. And I also believe there's going to be a demand in the future for people who have knowledge on this stuff, and I want to bridge the gap in knowledge that there currently is. A lot of people have this misconception that you can pick up a 3D printer and you can hit a few buttons and find what you want and magic, you're 3D printing. It's not quite that simple, not like a paper printer, but with a little bit of guidance it really is simple. And I think I could really guide people in the right direction in terms of 3D printing, in terms of sourcing machines, and also just understanding how to maximize our use of these machines, really utilize them to their fullest potential. We haven't done that yet, and there's also some workflows that I don't think a lot of people out there are using that can really get you a great end result. And it doesn't take a lot of money, like getting Fusion 360 and paying thousands of dollars for some type of software. It just takes knowledge and time. And I think I can give you all of that knowledge. And if you take your time to properly educate yourself, you too can really come up with your own original ideas, like I came up with my Cricut mount. And I do have more other ideas out there, but I'll share those at a later time. So with that being said, I'm really excited to be showing you guys what I'm doing, and I hope that you're hungry for this knowledge because I am really ready to share it. I've been working really hard for the last few years just getting this stuff together and understanding what there might be a need out there for. So stay tuned. If you want to 3D print, if you want to laser engrave, if you want to get into a new industry, maybe you're tired of what you're doing right now, stay tuned. This channel is going to be for you guys, and I can't wait to share.